Hi there, and welcome to the class number 4 about the beginner English. And in today's class, we're going to study about possessive pronouns. In the previous classes, we've studied about the verb to be, present simple, and demonstratives. And in today's class, we are continuing our studies about possessive adjectives. So firstly, let's make a connection between subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. So they have a relationship between these two. For example, I play football. I is the subject pronoun, and this is my brother. So there's a connection here. I, my, you, your. So you are Australian. Give me your book. There's a connection. He is, verb to be, he is very tall. This is, or that is, his house. You see the connection? He, his, you, your, I, my, she, her. So that's the subject pronoun we use with verb to be. She is. She is a teacher. She's a doctor. She's an engineer. Professions, she is. And possession, I know her sister. This is my pen. This is my mouse. So there's a possession here. And our relationship between subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. So let's proceed. Next one, it is a dog. Verb to be, it is. It has its advantages. Its advantages. It belongs to something, not a person, an object. Objects, things, and animals, we use its. It's television. It belongs to a company, to an institution, to a school. So not a person, but things. Plural form now. We love English, as I hope you do as well. So we love our parents. Our, it belongs. Our parents. So there's this relationship. We, our, you, your, singular and plural too. Next, we have on the list, they. They, plural form, they have a house. Possessive, this is their teacher. This is their house, John, Mary, Joseph. This is their house. It belongs to them. So this is the list of subject pronouns and possessive adjectives. Now let's take a look at some grammar rules. For example, we use the subject pronoun plus verb. Okay, subject pronoun, I love my friend. Subject pronoun, I have a dog. I study English. Subject pronoun. And we use possessive adjective plus noun. Nouns are objects. A pen is a noun. A microphone is another example of noun. A laptop, a book, etc., etc. Objects are nouns. That's their house. It belongs to who? To Susan and Thomas in this example. They are from Ohio, and that's their house. They live there. That's their house. It belongs to them. Possessive adjectives are always, 100% of the times, always singular. For instance, we say, these are their suitcases. And we never say theirs. They have no plural form. It and its for things. And they, their for people and things in the plural. Let's take a look. The hotel has its own spa. It's a relaxing place. This is a subject pronoun. Next example. I like those chairs. They're beautiful, but their legs are too long. Who are we talking about? We are talking about these chairs. It belongs to it. Plural form, chairs. Their legs are too long. The legs of the chairs. And it's also used for time and weather. Remember, this is the subject pronoun plus verb to be. This is the abbreviation of the verb to be. So do not confuse it's over here, possessive adjective. So there's no apostrophes. On the other hand, we can use the contracted form here. It's a dog. So be aware of the apostrophes. Anyways, proceeding from here, it's very windy, but it's sunny. What time is it? So this is the subject pronoun. It's 3 o'clock. I like its hair. Who are we talking about? The dog. So this is the reason why it's. After this whole lesson, let's practice some exercises together. Starting off over here. Number 1, office. Possessive or subject? Well, go to your office. Possessive adjective. Number two is about time. So we use the subject pronouns for time. So it's 6 o'clock, it's 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, etc., etc. Next one, our products are famous for its durability because we are talking about the products. Number 4, I'm very happy about your marks. Remember, no plural form. So yours, it's incorrect. I'm very happy about your marks. And number 5, she's from Italy, but she's in Ireland now. So this is the verb to be contracted form, subject, pronoun. And this is the conclusion of our class number 4. Thank you very much for watching it. And do not forget to like and subscribe for more, and see you on the next episode. Thank you.